Hi, I'm Tammy, the Pilates director at Club Apple. Club Apple's Stop Pilates program is the longest-running Pilates studio in the greater Idaho Falls area. Since 2003, our Pilates instructors have accumulated thousands of hours of experience with clients just like you. No local franchise or small studio comes close to the level of experience and expertise we offer. Every day, our highly trained, fully certified instructors are helping our clients tone their bodies, improve their appearance, build critical strength, move better, and relieve back and joint pain. Pilates is the perfect complement to cardiovascular exercise, athletic training, or rehabilitation. We can help you tone your body, feel revitalized, and move with ease. Here at Club Apple, we offer 2 free trial Pilates sessions. Please contact Tammy at theclubapple.com to take advantage of your free trial offer.